Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, it's the part 2 of the Nintendo Switch series video that I made. Make sure you watch the previous video so you can still follow up to this tutorial. In this part, we're gonna modeling the Joy-Con. Okay, let's start it. Press Shift A, image reference, add your image reference. I'm gonna use this one. Adjust the position, then press Shift A, mesh, add a cube, GX, put it somewhere around here, tap to the edit mode, scale it up, go to the right view, just go to the face mode, select this face and change your snapping here into the face. Press GY, hold control, click at this face, do the same at the back here, GY, hold control, click like this. Then select this vertices GX, we can do the same, GX, hold control, select this face, and this was GX, put it somewhere around here. Then select these two edge, go to the front view, press Ctrl B, bevel like this. I'm using 5 segment. Then select this edge without this one, go to the right view, Ctrl B, bevel, something like this. Select all of this face, press S to scale it down a little bit, then go to the top, select all of this edge, press SX0. Then let's fix this mesh, press K, click here, X like this, K, click here, press X till here, then press spacebar just like this. Do the same at the back, press Ctrl R, put loop cut here. I'm using a cuts here. Click this vertices and this one, G to join. Repeat the process just like this till you reach this edge, then press K again, put loop cut here, click here, then press Ctrl R, put loop cut here. We can repeat the process at the back just like this. Then Shift A, mesh, add a cylinder. I'm using 8 vertices, RX 90 degree, put it here, then adjust the position. Okay, after you create something like this, then select this object, add a modifier, boolean, click this eyedrop and click your cylinder, apply the boolean modifier. We can duplicate this object, then move it to backup, hide this first, tap to the edit mode, then let's fix the mesh here, G twice slide, just do something like this. Then select all of this face, X, delete the vertices. Then select all of this edge, press N, main bevel wake, make it 1. We can also add a main bevel wake to all of this edge. Then select this one, select this object, press Ctrl L, copy modifier. Just like this. Right click shade smooth, tap to edit mode, press Ctrl R. Put loop cut here. Okay, just like this. Then select all of this edge. You can press U, mark seams. Then select one of this face, press L. It will automatically select it, all of the face we are marking. Then press P, selection. Tap to the object mode, select this new object. Go to the front view, press GZ, move this up a little bit like this. Okay, I think this is enough. Let's hide this one first, then let's create this button. Select this object, tap to the edit mode, select this edge, Shift D, duplicate it, P, selection, back to the object mode, select the new object, tap to the edit mode, go to the top view, press A to select everything, E to extrude on the Y axis, put it here, Then we can press 1 to the vertices mode, then change your pivot point to active element. Click here, make this one active. Then we can press S to scale it, then press Shift Z, scale it without the Z axis, scale it like this. Then go to the right view, make this vertices active one, press S, scale it down, Shift X, like this. Okay. Then we can press Ctrl R, put loop cut here, make this one active one, F to scale it again, Shift X to scale it without the X axis, scale it down like this. Okay, maybe we can delete this face. Let's hide this modifier first, then add a modifier, Solidify. Let's put it here. Then increase the thickness down here. Don't forget to add your backside image reference. In my case here, I'm using -0.07. Do the same with this one. For this object, we can apply this Solidify. Type to the edit mode. Select all of this edge, press N, main bevel weight make it 1. Then let's enable our modifier. Okay, it's pretty cool. Let's do the same here. Let's see. Select these vertices. Let's GX. Move it like this, I guess. And this one also. Okay, put the Solidify up here. Then we can apply the Solidify. Tap to the edit mode. Then select all of the edge. You need to select something like this. Then main bevel weight make it 1. I guess this too high. Select this edge, hold Control till here. Press G, Z, move it down a little bit. Do something like this. Next, select this object. Tap to the edit mode. Let's isolate it by pressing slash. Then select all of this face. X, delete the face. Till we have something like this. Then we can select all of this face. Press E to extrude it. Like this. Select all of this face again. X, delete the face. Something like this. Then we can adjust here. G, Z. Let's adjust here. I guess it's something like this. Next, let's create this part. Just select here and click one of these, Shift S, cursor to select it so we don't drag much more. Shift A, mesh, add a cube, S to scale it down. Just follow the image reference. We're gonna do bevel here. Select this edge, press G, X, move it something like this. Let's adjust it a little bit, then Ctrl B bevel. Like this. Just leave it like this for now. Then press Shift A, add a cylinder. Let's make it like 8 vertices, RX 90 degree. S to scale it down. Do something like this. Then select this object, add a boolean modifier, put it up here, click this eyedrop, click at your cylinder, hide this cylinder. Let's turn off our modifier. Then we can try to apply this boolean. Tap to the edit mode. Let's fix the mesh here. Put loop cut here. Join this one. Press Ctrl R again. Join here. Fix this one. G to join. I guess we don't need this one. G to join. Dissolve this H. G twice here. Okay, let's hide this first. Then we need to move this. GY. Change this to face mode. GY, hold control. Click at this face. Select all of this. X, delete the face. Then let's delete this one for now. Select all of this. Press F to fill. Press Ctrl R. Put loop cut here. Move it here. Click this one and this one. Merge at last. Ctrl R to do the same here. Click this one and this vertices. Merge at last. It's pretty fine, I guess. Then let's enable our modifier. Then bring back this object. We need to some adjustment a little bit. Just adjust it like this. Press S, Y, 0. Let's see the top view. Let's make this one a little bit higher. Select these two face, press F. We don't need these vertices. This one also, just drag like this. Okay, it's pretty cool. And this one, let's add a modifier. Bevel modifier. 3 segment 0.003. Then add a subdivision modifier. Right click, shade smooth. That's it. Let's try to add a solidify here. Put it up here. Let's increase the thickness. Okay, we're gonna fix it later. Just leave it like this for now. Then we can move to create the button. I'm just gonna use the cutter we used before. Go to the right view, G, Y. Let's put it somewhere around here and G. Something like this, I guess. Then select all of this face. We can press Ctrl B bevel. Okay, add a subdivision modifier. Right click shade smooth. And for this one, press Shift A, mesh, add a circle. I'm using 32 vertices here, RX 90 degree. Tap to the edit mode. S to scale it down like this. Then press F to fill, Alt Z. Then we can press I to insert somewhere around here. Then press E to extrude, extrude it back here. Maybe it's too deep. Something like this. Then let's press Ctrl R, put loop cut here, then do the same here. Move it up just a little bit like this. Then select these two edge. Ctrl B bevel. Just like this. Then select this face. Go to the right view, Alt Z. Make sure you're snapping here at the vertices. Then press E to extrude. Hold Ctrl. Click to these vertices. Just like this. Select this face. X. Delete the face. It will automatically connect them together because auto merge here it's active. Then go to the object mode. Press Ctrl 2. Add a subdivision modifier. Back to the edit mode. Select all of this face. You can press Ctrl B bevel it. Let's increase the segment. Then change here sharp to arc. Then select these vertices. Join here. Do the same at the top here. Next, press A to select everything. Go to the mesh symmetry size. Change it to +Y to -Y. Let's do the other part here. Select this edge, X. Let's delete it for now. Dissolve edge. Select these two edge again. Press Ctrl B bevel it. Make it one segment only. Select this face. Go to the right view. Press E to extrude. Hold Ctrl. Snap to these vertices. Okay, select this face, X. Delete the face. Okay, press A to select everything, go to the mesh symmetry size, then change it to +X to -X. Let's just delete this edge, dissolve edge, select this face, S to scale it down a little bit. Then we can press E to extrude it. Go to the right view, GY, maybe somewhere around here. Then press Ctrl B to bevel it, like this. Okay. Go to the right view. Let's move this here. Select all of this edge. Press E extrude. Y axis here. S to scale it. Select all of this edge. Ctrl B bevel. Select this edge. E to extrude. S to scale it down. Scale it down till here, I guess. Then press E, extrude it on the Y axis, just like this. Then bevel this edge. We can also do something on this face. Just X, delete the face, select all of this edge, press Ctrl F, grid fill, then select one of these vertices, press O to enable your professional editing. Go to the right view, press GY, move it up a little bit like this. Then select here, just use this one, Shift D, duplicate it, P, selection, select this new object, remove this modifier, tap to edit mode, A to select everything, F to fill, press I to insert like this, Shift R to repeat, then press GY, move it up like this, move it more, something like this. I guess we don't need bevel on this edge, make it 0. Select this edge, press E, extrude it on the Y axis. Here, then this face, E to extrude, X, delete the face. And for this part, just select this face, Ctrl B, bevel it, just like this. Ctrl L, then put it back here. Next, for this part, let's only select the object we need. Select two of this one, and this, that's all. Then press slash. Let's hide this one first. Select this one, select this face, Shift D, duplicate it, then X, put it somewhere around here, press P, selection, back to the object mode, select this one and hide this, select this object, Alt Z, tap to edit mode, press G, X, put it somewhere around here, go to the left view, tap to edit mode, then let's fix the mesh here, join here, this one, join. Let's press Ctrl R, loop cut here. I'm using 13 cuts here. Press A to select everything, go to the front view, press E to extrude it on the X axis, extrude it like this. Back to the object mode, at the left view, press Shift A, mesh to the circle. Let's use like 10 vertices, then press RY 90 degree, just like this. Put it somewhere around here, tap to the edit mode, Alt Z, S to scale it down. We're just gonna do some knife project here. S to scale it, put it here, Shift D, duplicate it, S to scale it again. Select these two vertices, press Shift Ctrl B, bevel it like this. Then select all of this, G, Z, put it up here, do the same down here. Just like this. Let's copy this vertices, Shift D, duplicate it, then GZ, move it way down here, go to the object mode, right view, this object, press GX, make sure it over here, check the name of this object, it's a circle one, tap to the edit mode, select your circle here, go to the left view, go to the mesh, knife project, just like this. Then let's disable our modifier for now, shade flat. Let's hide this circle, select this object, tap to the edit mode. Let's fix the mesh here, this face, join them, select this face, press P, selection. Okay, separated already. Then let's move down here. Okay, this P, selection, then select these vertices, select one down here, select these two vertices, G to join, click one here and this one, G to join. I guess we need some adjustment here. Select all of this H, GZ, put it somewhere around here, and this one, put it here, this one, put it here, this one here, maybe this one up a little bit, this one somewhere here, this one here. Then select all of this H, press S, Y, scale it like this, adjust this one, select this H, S, Y, scale it, this H also S, Y, scale it. Maybe we can also fix this one, S, Y, somewhere like this, and this to H, SZ, just like this. Then go to the front view, Alt Z, click and drag, select like this, then this one also, like this. Let's see at the left view. Okay, it's correct. Then back to the front view, Alt Z, press G, X, put it somewhere around here. Go to the left view, select all of this face, then we can P selection, separate them. Let's hide this for now. Back here, select all of this, E to extrude back here on the X axis. All of this face also, I guess just E to extrude on the X axis, then X, delete the face, then this one, press I to insert, just like this, press G, X, put it back here a little bit, okay, then this one, A to select everything, go to the front view, press E, extrude it like this. Let's try to enable the modifier here. Let's hide this one, select all of this face, P, selection, select this H, main bevel wake 1, E extrude. Do the same at the bottom. I guess we need to fix this face. Do the same down here also. Main bevel wake 1, E extrude, X axis. Just like this. This one, select all of the H, bevel wake 1, then select this H, G, Z, put it here, this one also, just like this. Then do the same here. Add a bevel here, this one, add a bevel. Okay, I guess we need to fix this one. Disable the modifier, select all of this, press Ctrl B, bevel, just bevel like this. Select this one, main bevel wake 1, select all of this again, main bevel wake 1, then press 1, vertex smooth, select this H, join here, join, join. Let's enable the modifier. Okay, it's pretty cool. Select all this H, Ctrl B, bevel, just like this. Select all of this H, main bevel wake 1. You can join here and join here. I guess we need to create circle here. Let's use this one. Shift D, duplicate it, G, Z, put it here, adjust the position here. Okay, GX, then tap to edit mode, Shift D, duplicate this one, P selection, tap to edit mode, A to select everything, scale this up like this. Then let's I to insert. We only need the vertices, then X, delete the vertices. So it will left like this. Make sure before you do knife project here, we need to delete all the modifier here. So we didn't do much vertices. Select this one, then select this mesh knife project. Okay, then we don't need it, just delete. Back here, fix the mesh. Okay, press I to insert, then just press GX. Put it back here, maybe scale it down, then bevel this corner. Okay, and this part, just select all of this, Shift D, duplicate it, P selection, tap to edit mode, select all of this face, then press F. This part also, select all of this, press I to insert like this, K, press P selection, tap to edit mode, E to extrude, GX, put it up a little bit, then press E to extrude, extrude it on the x-axis, then bevel whack all the corner, just like this, and this one, E extrude x-axis. Then the last part for this one, I guess, just create a loop cut like this, select all of this face, E to extrude, just a little bit like this, then select all of this edge, all the corner here, press Ctrl B, bevel just a little bit like this, then add a main bevel whack to all of this, then we can select like this, Shift D, duplicate it, P selection, tap to the object mode, select this one, F to fill, F to fill, F to fill, F to fill, A to select everything, go to the left view, E extrude it back here. We're almost done here. Let's add a mirror modifier, put it up here, click this eyedrop and click at this object, select all of this, then this one at the last, Ctrl L, copy modifier. Okay, let's fix this object before we move to the other side. Tap to the edit mode, go to the right view, Alt Z, we're gonna adjust here, go to the top here, adjust here, this one maybe, GX, then solidify here, let's add more thickness, then select this edge, hold Ctrl, click till here, then move it till here. Okay, we can use mark seams or just select all of this, P selection, separate them, then we can try to apply the solidify here. Okay, tap to the edit mode, just press slash, then select all of this edge like this, main bevel whack, make it 1. Okay, and this part, solidify here, enable only rim, then let's duplicate it, move it to backup, then we can try to apply the solidify. At the object mode, you can just press Ctrl A, tap to the edit mode, then select all of this edge, main bevel whack, make it 1, this one also. Okay, let's press slash, let's see the result. Okay, it's pretty clean. Do here also, then we can apply the mirror modifier, apply, tap to the edit mode, then select all of this like this, press P selection, back to the object mode. At this part, we can right click, set origin, origin to geometry, go to the edge mode, select all of this edge like this, then press V to separate them, then press L, we will have this result, then press R, rotate it 180, Alt Z, then let's adjust the position, something like this. We need to fix the mesh here. How to do it? Just click like this, here, press M, merge atlas, down here, press SZ0. Actually, we don't need this edge, X dissolve edge. Then we can try to enable auto merge, move it up like this, then snap here, detach merge. Yep, merge here, this one it's already merged, and just leave it like this for now. Select this edge, press F to fill, just fill like this, Okay, everything looks fine. Back here, then apply this, apply the mirror here, this one also apply, and this one apply. Tap to the edit mode, you select one of these, LP selection, do the same here, tap, click this object, LP selection, and this button, select all of this, maybe this one also, press Ctrl L, P selection, okay, then select these three objects, right click, set origin to geometry. We can select this one and this one, Ctrl P, object key transform. Let's move this up on the Z axis, and this one, let's adjust it down. We don't need this object, X delete. Then here, it should be a square. Just select everything like this, delete the face, and delete F to fill, press I to insert. Select all of this edge, Ctrl B bevel, the bevel wake here, and down here. Shift deduplicate it, P selection, tap to edit mode, GY, press I to insert. Then you can right click, loop tool circle, S to scale it down, select this edge, E extrude Y axis, this edge, E extrude, just a little bit, then put it back. Okay, let's create the minus part here, just bevel here, select this face, E-extrude back here, select all of this, Ctrl B bevel, 2 segment, click this, join, add a bevel wake, shift deduplicate it, P selection, object mode, move it on the front a little bit, extrude Y axis, F to fill, okay, always check the face orientation, it's fine, right click shade smooth, we are totally done over here. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.